Hello friends, in this video I will provide you the solution of NPTEL course Programming in Java by Professor Debashish Samanta IIT Kharagpur. The week 4 contents is available here and week 4 quiz is already I solved in another video. In this video I will provide you the solution of the programming assignment. The 5 programming assignments are given here in this week 4. So we'll solve one by one all the programming assignments. So this is the first programming assignment. We have to complete the code segment to execute the following program successfully. You should not import in the correct package. You should import the correct package and or class to complete the code. So this is the code. Question 41 class is here, that scanner class is used here. The course name and print the course information, so taken by the user and then print. So we have to include the package related to this out and this scanner. So import the java.util.scanner first and then java.lang.system.out. These two packages are required in this to solve this problem, that java.util.scanner and java.static import static java.lang.system.out. When we compile and run for the public test case, the public test case is passed successfully. Now click on the submit button for the private test cases. Now the private test case is also passed successfully. So this is the solution of week 4 programming assignment 1. Next is the week 4 programming assignment 2. Here also we have to complete the code segment to print the current year. In this program you are not allowed to use any import statement. You should use predefined class calendar defined in java.util.package. So the public class question 42 is given here. The main method is given here and already a variable is declared here, that year. So first we have to create an object of calendar class and use the getInstance method to initialize it. So create a object calendar of java.util.calendar and using and initialize it with the java.util.calendar getInstance, and then initialize the int variable year with the current year. Year equal to calendar.get.java.util.calendar.year. This is used to get the current year, and then finally print the this is already given here. We have to write only these two lines, that object create and initialization, and then initialize the year with current year. So click on the compile and run button to check for public test case. The check public test case passed successfully. Now click on the submit button for the private test case. The private test case is also passed successfully. So this is the solution of week 4 programming assignment 4. These two lines are required here. Next is the week 4 programming assignment 3. The programming assignment in this assignment is attempted to print the following output. We have to print the following output. However, the code is intentionally injected with some bugs. Debug the code to execute the program successfully. So I already removed the bugs here. This is the code. The extra large interface is created here with the string extra equal to, this is the extra large, and void display. Only here void display function is given here. Next, a class large is created here with a method print. It print the this is a large message. Next, a class medium is created here, that inherited from the large class, extends from large class, and the same public void print function is given here. We have to use super.print to call the large class print function, and then print the this is a medium. Okay, now class small is created that extends from medium class. Similarly, same thing is here, that print method is declared here. Super dot print method is called here, that the print method of medium class is called here. Then printer, this is small. Then question 43 implements extra large. This extra large interface is implements here. In man method, create a object of a small class, call s.print, and then create a object of question 43, and then call the d.display. So then the d-display function is override here to print the extra. So this is the code for the corrected code for the question week 4 programming assignment 4. Extra large interfaces is here, and the large class is declared here. Medium class, that is inherited from large class. Small class, that is inherited from medium class. And question 43, that implements the extra large interface here. So this is the code. Click on the compile and run button to check for the public test case. The public test case is passed successfully. Now click on the submit button to check for the private test cases. The private test case is also passed successfully. Next is week 4 programming assignment 4. In this code, complete the code segment to call the default method in the interface first and second. We have to this code is already given here, that interface first and interface second is already created here. Question 44 class is also implement here. You implement first and second. Show function is method is already called here. We have to call the default method in the interface first and second. So call these two lines are important. We have to write only this thing, that call show of first interface. We have to call the show method of first like this, first dot super dot show, and call show of second interface like second dot super dot show. These two lines are required here only to call the show method of first and second interface. This is already given here. So click on the compile and run button to check public test cases. So public test cases passed successfully. Now click on the submit button to check for the private test cases. Now the public private test case is also passed here. So we have to write only these two lines in this code. Next and the last, the programming assignment 5 here. Modify the code segment to print the following output. Circle, this is a shape 1, and circle, this is a shape 2. This main function, main method code, this code is already given here, that main class, question 45. Here shape G object circle is created here. Circle.display1 and circle.display2 is here. I already changed the code here. That interface shapex is created here with public string base. This is the shape 1, and display1 method here, and same interface shape 5, that is extend from shapex string base instance variables created here. This is the contains, this is shape 2, and display2 method is here. Now for the shape G class, that is implements from shape Y. So call define the display1 and display2 function. That display1 method print that circle shapex dot base, and display2 circle plus shape y dot base. Both the base method variables, instance variables is printed here. So this is the code, corrected code. And now click on the compile and run button to check for the private test cases, public test cases. The public test case is passed successfully. Now click on the submit button to check for the private test cases. private test case passed successfully. So submitted all the programming assignment before 24th August. And please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I can provide you the more solutions of the assignments. Thank you.